Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on Spec-Driven development presented by your mentor Vivek. Let's dive straight into the lesson. 5 phases today and the dashboard spec is done. Public settings, the theme system, images, personalization, and one big everything else phase. Let's close out the private half of WorkshopHub. Now let's talk about phases 11 and 12, that's settings and themes. Phase 11, a settings section where everything entered provisionally in the wizard becomes editable. Name, about, photo, tagline, address, registration number, all these become editable. Phase 12, themes, 5 templates. Select one and the whole public site changes instantly. Themes come in landing page, long form or multi-page formats. Click one and you get a preview using the owner's real data, ideally in a new tab. An architecture note. Templates live in the themes folder. Plug and play, easy to modify, easy to add a 6th. Oh, and a cheeky button. Want a custom design? Request it here, pointing at my contact page. Phases 13 and 14, which is images and personalization. Okay, let's go. Phase 13, image management. Themes ship with a placeholder image, but anything the owner uploads takes priority at render time. Simple override rule written down. Phase 14, dashboard personalization. A light dark button opens a modal with 8 curated accent colors. Our dashboard blue is 1 and the whole palette adapts. The choice persists through logout and browser restarts. And a big one. Almost every feature is toggleable. By that I mean blog, booking system, FAQs. So they're all toggleable. Because not every studio wants everything. Let's talk about strings, social, email, and profile. Phase 15, longer but small pieces, the public strength section. Every default phase in the themes become customizable. A social media section, add your links. They render on the public site. Email and notifications. Enter a Gmail address and every new booking lands in that inbox. And clicking the owner's avatar in the header opens the private details editor. For instance, name, internal email, phone, password, avatar. Let's talk about search, help, view site. Okay, then a global search in the dashboard header. One query filters bookings, students, records, blog posts, and the spec literally says be creative and make it genuinely useful. A help button with a plain language text tutorial explaining the whole dashboard and a sidebar button to view the public site. Meta note. Every one of these follows the spec structure. objective inputs, rules, just written as fluent, detailed prose, faster to write, just as clear to the agent. The dashboard spec is complete. 15 phases, one constitution. Up next, the half the students actually see. Phase 16 to 18, the public side, the booking flow, and the blog. So, see you in the next unit. Peace out.